Hello students, you are with Bindu Chaudhary and we are continuing our last chapter of Resources and Development part 2. The name of the chapter is Human Resource. It means we are. Yes, we are discussing ourselves here and today we are taking its part 3. And when we are taking part 3, then just recall the previous one, how social, economic and other factors are responsible for the increasing or decreasing rates of the population. We had discussed about the bomb explosion. It means population explosion in the form of bombs. Yes, high population explosion was there only in the 40 years. We were just double from 3 billion to 6 billions. Yes, we had discussed many things, but today in this part we are discussing about the population composition and different pyramids. Yes, we will discuss here. First we will start with the population composition. How crowded a country is has little to do with its level of economic development. See, the main criteria we are taking is the economic development level. When we are taking example, both Bangladesh and Japan are very densely populated. But when we are discussing about the densely populated region, the second main reason about the discussion is here, Japan is far more economically developed than Bangladesh. What are the main reasons behind the economic development of Bangladesh? Not, and Japan, yes. Many reasons are behind it, but these both are densely populated areas or populated countries are there. When we are discussing, see, to understand the role of people, it means ourselves as a resource. We need to know more about their qualities also. It means we need to know our qualities. What are the main qualities necessary for the economic development of a country? See, people vary greatly in their age, sex, it means male or female, literacy level. How much literacy level is there? When we are discussing about the health conditions also the main source for the economic development, and main occupation and income level. These are the main factors considering for the purpose of the economically developed country. It is essential to understand these characteristics of a people. When we are discussing these main characteristics of any man or any movement, what happens? It means how economically the country is. See the another point here. When we are discussing about the population composition, the main definition comes, population composition refers to the structure of the population. It means how much structure of the population is there. The composition of population helps also to know how many are males or females are there, which age group they belongs to, and how educated they are, and what type of occupations they are employed in. Next point is also here, what their income levels and health conditions are. So this one is the main population composition, and in this population composition we are considering these main points. An interesting way of studying the population composition of a country is by looking at the population pyramid. Yes, we will see the pyramids here also. It is called the age and sex pyramid. See students, first one we are considering the picture here. These people identify themselves. See, one by one. I build bridges. It means he is doing something for the purpose of economically firm decisions. See, this lady, I tell stories to my grandchildren. क्या grandchildren को स्टोरी सुनाने से किसी तरह का कोई इनकम हो रहा है क्या बच्चों? नहीं हो रहा है. So no economic profit is here. I sing at weddings. It means sometimes he is gaining some amounts and sometimes he is not. See about this lady, I am researching for medicines to cure cancer. It means she is giving help for the economically developed country. Here I take care of my home. It's okay. It is necessary to take care of home, but at present it is not considering with the economic help. This one, I am a farmer. Yes, farmers are totally supporting the economic conditions of a country. So see and think before anything you will do. Every human being is potential resource for the society. What will be your contribution or as a human resource? Yes, every person has some potentiality. These all are doing something better. But what the economic level of these persons are? The main thing, see here, when we are discussing about the pyramids, what pyramids show about the population? First one we are considering here the total population divided into various age groups. It means ages from 5 to 9 for an example, 10 to 14 years are there. When we are taking as a percentage, the percentage of the total population subdivided into males and females in each of those groups. When we are discussing about the different pyramids, first one, see what these are conversation here. What is this triangular looking diagram? ये बच्चा तो आश्चर्य कर रहा है कि ये ट्रायंगल की तरह दिखने वाला डायग्राम क्या है. तब इसको आंसर मिलता है दिस इज अ पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड. ये जो है यह एक पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड है. यस, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द परसेंटेज हेयर एंड डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स ईयर्स हेयर. See 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19. Different age group peoples are there. Some are male and some are female. Here we are denoting males by blue color and females by this color. See from the starting, it means when they are infant or when they are children, their increasing ratios are high. But later on what happened? The pyramid is decreasing one by one, and when we are considering here up to this one, only a pyramid shape is this one. So what it considers, what it shows, what happened to these children or these peoples, what happens when they reach up to the age of this one? Some changes are there. Again the discussion with these people. What's that? पिरामिड देख लिया है, सब कुछ डिस्कशन हो गया है, परंतु फिर भी बच्चा कंफ्यूज कर रहा है. बच्चा कह रहा है ये क्या है? तो यहाँ पे बताया जाता है इट शोज द present number of males and females in a country along with their different age groups. Again, can I play detective and investigate the population of a country? अब थोड़ा सा बच्चे को इंटरेस्ट आने लग गया है और बच्चा क्या कहता है कि क्या मैं भी इस यहाँ कंट्री की पॉपुलेशन को डिटेक्ट कर सकता हूँ क्या, इन्वेस्टिगेट कर सकता हूँ क्या? यस, ही इज श्योरली. लेट्स स्टडी 3 कंट्रीज. और यहाँ पे 3 कंट्रीज को एग्जाम्पल लेके बच्चों हम इस चीज़ को इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे, डिटेक्ट करेंगे कि क्या हो रहा है और क्या नहीं हो रहा है. सी, the shape of the population pyramids tells the story of the people living in that particular countries. When we are discussing about different countries, we will take these countries also here. See, the numbers of children, it means below 15 years, are shown at the bottom and reflect the level of births. It means this pyramid, when we are discussing about this one, so this shape shows the children's below 15 years, or the bottom reflects the level of births of the children's. The size of the top shows the numbers of aged people above 65 years and reflects the number of deaths also. It means when we just discussed about the pyramid, and in that pyramid we discussed about here the graph in this way. It means the people above 65 years or reflects the number of deaths in that pyramid. The population pyramid also tells us how many dependents there are in a country. See the main next point, important point about the economically sound country. What are the criteria behind it? We will discuss this one also. That population pyramid tells us about the more dependents. What are these dependents? See here. There are two groups of dependents. First groups belongs to the young dependents. Young dependent it means aged below 15 years. आप खुद देख रहे हैं बच्चों, आपको अपनी किसी भी आवश्यकता की पूर्ति के लिए आपके घर के उस मेंबर के ऊपर डिपेंड रहना पड़ता है जो कि इकोनॉमिकली साउंड है. इट मीन्स दे आर द अर्निंग मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली and you all are the dependent members of the family. Same with your grandparents also. Elderly dependents are also there in the family which have the age group of over 65 years. Those of the working age are the economically active peoples. अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा इस एज का बड़ा और इस एज से छोटे ये जो हैं ये कहाँ कंसिडर हो रहे हैं. दीज आर कंसिडरिंग एज द वर्किंग एज ग्रुप्स फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ द इकोनॉमिकली एक्टिव पर्सन्स फॉर अ कंट्री, फॉर अ फैमिली. ओके. The population pyramid of a country in which birth and death rates both are high is broad at the base and rapidly narrows towards the top. Yes, we had discussed about one pyramid, and in that pyramid see this one is the ratio, and in this ratio what happens, birth and death rates are both high in the broad at the base but rapidly getting narrow. यहाँ आते आते आप देख रहे हैं संकड़ापन होता जा रहा है, नैरोनेस आती जा रही है. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑल्दो मैनी चिल्ड्रंस आर बोर्न, a large percentage of them die in their infancy. Relatively few becomes adults and there are very few old people. So the main reason behind this type of pyramid is here many children are born in infancy. बहुत बच्चे जन्म लेते हैं बट रिलेटिवली ओनली फ्यू बिकम्स द एडल्ट. कुछ एक ही हैं जो एडल्ट बन पाते हैं और कुछ है कि वेरी फ्यू होते हैं जो कि ओल्ड एज पीपल बन पाते हैं. अदरवाइज डेथ रेट्स आर देयर आल्सो. सी दिस वन इज द pyramid of Kenya. First we are discussing about Kenya here. This situation is typified by the pyramid shown for Kenya. See the ratio here. This one is the percentage and this one is the different age groups of the people. This picture shows about the males and this picture shows about the females rates. See in the starting what happens? The birth rate is here, but later on only some people becomes adult and only fewer are come in the old age group. In countries where death rates, especially when we are talking about the very young, are decreasing, the pyramids is broad in the younger age group because more infants survive to एडल्टहुड. हमने देखा पिरामिड का शेप देखा बच्चों. बचपन में जब हम एज स्टार्टिंग एज ग्रुप बता रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे पिरामिड बड़ा है बट लेटर ऑन क्या हो रहा है, लेटर ऑन इट इज़ डिक्रीजिंग. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम क्या देखते हैं, मोर इन्फेंट्स सर्वाइव्स टू द एडल्टहुड. अगेन सी व्हाट अबाउट इंडिया. We are considering the picture of India here, the pyramid of India. This can be seen in this way. This one is the percentage and here is different age groups. This pyramid considers about the males and this one considers about the females conditions. See, in the starting birth rates when we are talking about the adulthood age, and when we are considering about the decreasing or the elder age or old age group persons here. What conditions is here? See, such population contain a relatively large number of young peoples and which means a strong and expanding labor force. जहाँ पे हम क्या कह रहे हैं, लेबर फोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है. वी आर कंसिडरिंग वन मोर एग्जाम्पल हेयर, द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ जापान. In countries like Japan, low birth rates makes the pyramid narrow at the base. स्टार्टिंग में क्या हो रहा है बच्चों जापान में? जापान में बच्चों की जो जन्म दर है वो बहुत कम है. सी, बहुत कम है. डेथ रेट्स भी कम है. इट मीन्स इट इज इंक्रीजिंग हेयर एंड आफ्टर दैट अगेन इट शोज दिस टाइप ऑफ पिरामिड. इट मीन्स हम पहला पॉइंट यहाँ पे क्या ले सकते हैं? लो बर्थ रेट्स आर हेयर इन जापान. Decreased death rates also there. So decreased death rates allow number of people to reach old age. Skilled, spirited and hopeful young people endowed with a positive outlook are the future of the any nation. See, we had discussed about the economic condition of Japan. Yes, it's okay. Bangladesh and Japan both are highly densely populated areas. But when we are considering about Japan, Japan is the country where economic conditions are very favorable. See, skilled persons are there, spirited persons are there, very hopeful young peoples are there, and they endowed a positive outlook for the future of their nation. That is the main reason Japan is economically sound. When we are considering about India, we in India are fortunate to have such a resource. It means we are also in a very large number. In India, we are human resource and they must be educated and provided skills and opportunities to become able and productive. It means our government is taking initiative for the betterment of human resources. It means for the skill development, for the different opportunities, for the proper education facilities, for the proper health facilities. Government is taking all initiatives and peoples are also aware for their betterment. It means we are the good human resource for the development of our India. We are proud that we are economically sound and we are doing much better in our future also. This one is the chapter reading session. We will continue in our next part with our question answer session. Stay with us. Have a nice day.